You know, it's not very often that you come across something that you really think is worth the money. But I gotta say, and I think this is twice I've mentioned this kit now in my videos, the Griot's Garage Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is totally worth the 30 bucks that you pay for it. You can see here I'm getting ready for the final stage. I won't bore you with the rest of it. But this stuff, I'm about to wipe on the actual finishing stage here, the headlight coating. I've already sanded it down with the 1000, the 2000, the 3000, and the more you sand it down, the more time you spend to do that and make it look right, the better off your finished product is going to be. You take this thing out of here, and you see how this got some of that crystal in there? I'll talk about that here shortly. This is not the first time that I've had that in these kits. Not necessarily a good sign, but not the end of the world. But you can see here how once you've got your surface prepped up right, how good this is starting to look. It smells, just so you know, very potent stuff. You want to kind of do overlapping runs here until you get all the way down, and then it says not to do 2 coats, but if you quickly go around it, you can get any spots you might have missed. And I have learned, once you get it on there like that, leave it alone. If you see a spot that you might have missed, it's all right, because that probably won't show up on camera, but when you do that there, this stuff starts to kind of smooth in the scratches on the plastic. And I don't know if it has some kind of chemical reaction with the plastic. And if you go in there and you re-wipe, if I was to re-wipe across this now, it would leave a huge streak through that perfectly clear finish. You don't want that. So the directions say, you know, do your wipe and then do your next wipe and make overlapping passes of about 50% on each pass and leave it. And I'm telling you, that's because I've done it wrong before. But if you're quick on that first one, like you saw, I kind of went around the outside, you can sneak it in there. I've had trouble with one of these kits before. You see this one here, I just opened it and the crystal's in there. Sometimes these bags don't get sealed very well. And I bought one of these kits from Advanced Auto, and there was nothing on the little cotton pad in there. It was all just crystallized. Apparently the air had gotten in there and it just ruined whatever that stuff is that they have in there. That little headlight coating kit was not usable. So I called up Griot's and I told them what happened. In fact, there's the phone number right there. 800-345-5789. Called them up, told them what happened, told them when I bought the kit, and they sent me not just the little headlight coating kit, they sent me the entire box, another entire box full of stuff. Didn't even ask for a proof of purchase, and I think that was great customer service, because I think they know that these kits are probably the best ones out there when you have really bad headlights like I had on this car. This is 99 Z28, and the headlights were just atrocious. And this kit is the only one, I've tried all kinds. This kit is the only one that I trust to take really damaged headlights and bring them back to snuff. And when you look at the before and after on these, it's pretty incredible. Yeah, it takes a lot of elbow grease, but it's worth it. No power tools needed. I've tried the ones with the drill kit adapters. In my experience, they're never as good. They're kind of terrible, actually. They just don't leave a good finish. This leaves a wonderful finish. Really happy with this. And, you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody or anything. I'm just passing along good information. Buy this kit. Watch out for the crystallization in there. Sometimes you can feel it in here before you even open that little thing. But don't worry. If it's messed up, call them, let them know what happens, and you can get a replacement kit for it. Past that, good luck with your headlights, and thanks for watching.